Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a code such as P0340 and your car not running right or not starting, stay with us and we'll show you guys what causes that and how to fix it. Now, we'll guys demonstrate on a 2.4 multi-air engine that has been used in multiple Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles. That same engine, guys, that 2.4 multi-air engine can be found in Dodge Dart, Dodge Ram Promaster City, Chrysler 200, Jeep, Cherokee, Renegade, Compass, Fiat 500X and Fiat Toro, guys, that same engine. So if you have that 2.4 multi-air and you have that code or your car not starting, stay with us and we'll explain how to fix that. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we take it completely apart, guys, including that one here. That engine's been taken completely apart, and we probably have more than 100 videos on the engine and more than 200 on the car itself, guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools, scanners, anything like that, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys. Share it for your convenience, so please check it out. Now, let me show you guys, okay, what we have here, guys, and we'll show you now the engine, and you're going to see the code and how the car does not start. So that's what I'm talking about, 2.4 multi-air engine, guys. Same engine, it's been used on multiple, guys, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles. The only difference, the valve cover on top, the engine cover may look a little bit different, but other than that, the engine is the same. So now let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing here. First, I'll demonstrate how the car will not start. But let me connect the Obd scanner so we can be ready, guys, okay, for the next step. So find your Obd connector, plug it in. You're going to see, okay, your scanner, I dropped it, my bad. Okay, we'll start lighting up. Perfect. Now I will start the car. Listen what's going to happen now, guys, and then we'll start diagnosing and show you what can cause that now. So listen, guys. It took forever to start. Now let's try again. You can see, guys, how long it takes to start that thing. So I'll turn the ignition back on and I want to show you guys, okay, what causes that. Sometimes you may not even be able to start it. Sometimes it may start and not run right, may not have enough power, guys, so that's terrible. Now, right here, it's establishing communication. It will take just a little bit of time. Okay, almost there, guys. Now we have one code found. We click enter, we enter again, guys. What do we have next? Okay, we have two computers that you can scan each one of them, because you may have codes in each one of them, guys. So now it's loading. We click read codes, and now we click you have stored and pending. I'll check both of them, check pending and stored, but under pending you have you may have some extra codes plus the ones we have installed, because pending means that it hasn't been long enough to activate the engine light, but they're in the system, guys. Plus it will count the one that are stored. Code P0340, guys. Okay, this is the code that we have here. And camshaft position sensor, a circuit bank one or single sensor. So I will go ahead, guys, turn the car off, and I will show you now how to fix that. So we'll go ahead, guys, remove the valve cover, the engine cover, excuse me. I already removed it. If you want to check it out, guys, we have it on the channel. You just pull it out. Sometimes you may have nuts. Now, you can see that's where the engine cover attaches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes those will be replaced by bolts and you have nuts on top. This one you don't. And that sensor right here, guys, okay, this is your camshaft position sensor. Now, if you want to see how to remove and replace it, we have the video on the channel, everything from start to finish. On a 2.4 multi-air engine, you have to remove one nut, then you remove that metal cover, then you remove the bolt and you replace the sensor. We'll go ahead and replace ours, guys, and see if that will fix the problem. Hopefully it does. If it doesn't, we'll see what else it is. So if you want to see the video, it's on the channel. We'll have the link for the new sensor in the description of the video below as well. So let's go ahead and replace it and see if it will take care of the problem now. So we replace it, guys. Now I want to go ahead, clear the codes and see if the car will start easy. Okay, so let's do that now. What we'll do, we'll turn the ignition on without starting the car. Okay, ignition is on without starting the car. We're going to reconnect our scanner, guys. Okay, right there. Go back, reconnect it, and now select erase codes. Erase codes. It's erasing now, guys. Erase done. Now if we start the car, it should start easy, guys, and the engine light shouldn't be on. So let's hear it, how it sounds now. So it starts with no problem, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix that. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a like, and see you guys next time.